Hi, welcome to ToddFun.com. Today's fun is Comic-Con. Yes, today's the day I go to Comic-Con. It's just for fun. That's why I've been growing the Sam beard into a Colonel Sanders beard, is to go as Comic-Con. My children are going. My son's going as Burger King. And my daughter was going to go as Wendy's, but unfortunately her costume didn't fit quite right and we couldn't last minute change. So she's going to go as a health inspector with a clipboard, which is fitting because she is in med school. So she's got the outfit already at hand. So that failed, but this will work. We'll be Burger King and Colonel Sanders with health inspectors following us behind. But actually, we're going to have a little quick video here. A lot of people said they were interested in the motorcycle repairs this summer. So I've got the parts here. So let's take a peek at them while everyone's getting dressed and ready in the house for Comic-Con today. And we'll go over those motorcycle parts that I plan on putting on later in the summer here with some more update videos. So, to the bench. So, the first thing we're going to cover on the bench is the rubber. We're going to put new rubber on this 1977 Kawasaki 400 SE. Believe it or not, the same rubber is on this bike that I put on when I was a teenager. It's really held up, but when I was a teenager I used this bike as kind of a 400 scrambler, and my son's going to do the same, which means knobby are a must because you're going to be going on-road and off-road. So we got those to go on, and then I'm going to probably make one video for each major repair, like a carburetor rebuild will be a video, brake handle will be another video, putting the rubbers on will be another video. And we'll do those over the summer while we're getting them done and then share them. We'll make a playlist so you can follow whichever one is most important to you, or I'll make you can watch the whole playlist if you want. But right now let's lay these parts out on the bench here and start covering what those different episodes will be so you know what's coming. So, to the bench. So let's just cover them in sort of groups. We got new spark plugs, new points, and condenser. I know these haven't been changed since I was a teenager because the farmer never changed any of these. Next. So I got two carburetor rebuild kits. I think they got a little extra stuff in here so it does a few different carbs maybe. But we'll do a video on just tearing down and putting these new components in that tend to be the ones that get dirty. And I did clean these up on the old one, but I certainly couldn't clean up all the little holes and stuff in these tiny little components. And of course you want these to be new and fresh every now and again. And along with that I grabbed a couple of bowl seals for the float bowl. So next, pretty much all the rubber on this bike is deteriorated. These are essentially the air intake to the carburetors from the filter, and then these are the manifold air that go into the motor itself. Very hard to find. I'm missing one because you know I would need 4 of these items, or 2 of each. But I did find one more in Australia, new old stock, and it'll be delivered in time. Along that line, rubber going bad. This is the seal for the gas tank cap. Right now it's all broken up and the tank leaks when you slosh back and forth. And then the side panels that have the little plastic covers, all that rubber was gone. And these just snap on, let the side covers keep them from rattling and keep them on good. And then the gas tank has these little rubber, essentially standoffs that keep the gas tank from rubbing against any metal, and it pops off of these, and these just slap on some studs. Those were shot too. So all that rubber is gone. And because the farmer had taken a spill with it, they broke essentially a blinker really bad, and they broke off the brake lever. So I found a new old stock brake lever. I found 2 blinkers actually. Someone was selling 2 blinkers. They're new old stock, and so they'll fix that damage from the spill. And that same spill damaged a mirror. The farmer had put on another mirror, but it wasn't the right fit. It didn't match the bike. So I found a new old stock mirror. Yeah, there's my camera. And the last thing that I'm going to be putting on is an air filter, so no big deal there. Well, we're ready for Comic-Con. I'm Colonel Sanders, this is Burger King, and unfortunately we also have Sally Salmonella, the health inspector. Yikes! Okay, see you after Comic-Con. So, those are the motorcycle parts I'm putting on. I know it's not much, but this is a learner bike for my son, and he's going to take some spills, he's going to put it through some paces, and I don't want to like go through and make it like a mint restoration, you know. If it survived me and it survives him, well then maybe I'll do some sort of a complete tear down where I want to make it, you know, perfect and back to its, you know, museum condition. But let's see how he gets through this bike. But he'll learn a lot about servicing it and getting it running. That's important. Knowing how to keep them running, good maintenance, you know. I'll probably be ordering a chain for, of course, and a sprocket, you know, because that's going to be wore down. But I have to evaluate that yet. So look forward to those different videos. They should be short because this isn't a lot of work. And well, as you can see, I've shaved. I'm no longer Colonel Sanders. But we did do the Comic-Con thing, and it was crazy. I mean, we went for like 7 hours, and we walked into all the different venues, and we probably didn't make 5 feet, and people wanted to take our pictures. And then we'd make another 5 feet, and people wanted to take our pictures. Even the group that does the, well, it's called Comic Fest in Phoenix. And they even wanted pictures of us, and a television station interviewed us. So we were pretty popular. I mean, we couldn't even go eat because when we went into the area where, you know, the food court, people constantly want to take pictures with us, especially little kids. Little kids were fascinated with Colonel Sanders and Burger King. It's pretty unique. Got to see Bob Camp. He's the co-creator of Ren and Stimpy, and I even commissioned an art sketch from him. So that was nice. That'll be coming in the mail later because he's got to finish it, because I actually wanted him to do a Colonel Sanders a Burger King sketch of Ren and Stimpy acting like those two characters, with Mr. Horse being the health inspector saying, "Nope, don't think so, don't like it at all." If you know Ren and Stimpy, you know what I mean. But it was great meeting him and commissioning a little art from him. Other than that, what I'll do is I'll end the video with just slides, rolling slides, photos of the different people we took pictures with that we wanted pictures of, that I thought were interesting. That'll be pretty quick. But I'm really happy not to have to smile anymore. I must have smiled 100 times because we certainly got a picture taken 100 times, maybe more. So a lot of fun. I won't do it again next year because I don't want to do the whole. It takes a lot of months. It takes about 8-9 months to grow up a good Colonel Sanders beard, and I'd rather be clean shaven. So thanks for joining. Enjoy the slideshow at the end, and thumbs up, and look forward to the rest of these motorcycle edit videos, restoration videos.